Hello everyone, it's me, Candice Michelle, and today I'm going to show you how I do my I Love Lucy look today for my pinup makeup. I'm using the Besame Cosmetics I Love Lucy collection, so this is my made up face. I will show you how I got to this Besame Lucille Ball makeover. Alright, stay tuned. Here's the I Love Lucy tote bag that came with the I Love Lucy collection. Isn't it adorable? And here's the I Love Lucy collection minus What a Peach lipstick. So today I'll be using the Babalu eyeshadow compact, the brown faux lashes, the What a Redhead lipstick, the I Love Lucy compact, the pencil sharpener, that's the heart, isn't that adorable? The white eyeliner, the brown eyeliner, and the red lip liner. And today I will be using the colors Lucy's Lilac, Mert's Mauve, and McGillicuddy Roots. Here I am applying Mert's Mauve to my eyelid. I love the dark color, it's really pretty. So now with my Besame Cosmetics eyeshadow brush, I'm going to put on Mert's Mauve, which I think is a really pretty color and very complementary to Lucy's Lilac. I'm going to put it on the crease, going almost all the way up to the brow bone. Now with Babalu's eyeshadow brush, I'm going to be putting on McGillicuddy Roots for the brow bone for a nice highlight. It's a really pretty natural color. Now I'm going to be using the brown eyeliner pencil. I'm going to use it on my brows and on my eyes. And also I will be using the I Love Lucy pencil sharpener to sharpen my pencil. So cute and adorable. Now I'm going to be using the white eyeliner for my waterline on the bottom of my eyes. This is to make the eyes pop, and Lucille Ball used this a lot to make her beautiful blue eyes pop on screen. And I'm going very carefully on the waterline. I don't ever do this. I can't remember the last time I did this, so this is new for me, but I'm doing it for Lucy, so we'll see how it turns out. So now I'm using the translucent powder. I love the compact. It's so pretty. It has rhinestones on it. But this is a translucent pressed powder, and it goes on, well, it goes on white, but it blends in very clearly, and it's really pretty. It helps even out skin tone, the undertones, and it creates a matte look. It's very beautiful. Here I am applying it on with the powder puff, and then I will go over and use the long hair finishing brush from Besame Cosmetics to smooth it out. So here come the long brown faux eyelashes. These are very big eyelashes that she was known for, and I think they're very pretty. They're very soft. This is my first time wearing very long eyelashes, especially brown eyelashes. I've never worn brown eyelashes before. So here I am putting on my eyelashes. They're a little tricky. I didn't want to mess them up, but they turned out really pretty. Just trying to get the Lucy ball look. So now you can see the finished look for my eyes. Look how long they are, but they're so pretty. So now I'm going to use the red lip liner pencil, and I hardly ever use lip liner only because of how Besame Cosmetics lipsticks are shaped. The wedge tip is to be the liner, and then you just use the rest as the lipstick. So here I am putting on the lip liner. And now I am about to put on What a Redhead. It's a very beautiful color. Again, look at the packaging. It's so pretty. It has rhinestones on it. This is the color. I love the I Love Lucy emblem on it. Isn't that beautiful? So now I am going to apply the What a Redhead lipstick. So here's the finished look. I love it. It looks pretty. But then again, it's Besame Cosmetics. So like, comment, subscribe, and be sure to follow me on Instagram at Black Peanuts Magazine. Hope everyone has a great day. Bye.